Hi guys, from what is a pleasant but very blustery morning. We've got a 25 mph westerly. It's calmed down a bit, it was about 30 mph this morning, so I thought I'd crack on with this mighty Magnum. Not install as such, just demonstrate putting it together. A bit of old school, you know. But anyway, I've actually brought the instructions out. I don't know why. When I bought one of these years ago, I never even used them, but I'm just being a bit more anal, you know what I mean? You start off assembling the mountain bracket, which is this part here. I mean, to be honest, when these come new, this is actually slid off, and that's normally in the bottom of the box. So it comes like this, you see there? And obviously that slides over the top, which is obvious. And obviously that's your bracket, like I was explaining in the previous vid. Right, what we do next, we fit the U-clamps, just basically wind those nuts off the end. The 7/16, I think, yeah, 7/16, which is a nice American size, isn't it? So they go through there. 2 spring washers on the ends. One on each side for that matter. Hey, the sun's coming out now, look. And this is number 2. I'm just going to slide this over the top of here for now, because this is basically for demonstration purposes, because there's no way I can get this up the day with that wind, not a chance. So we're going to slip that over this little mount. I'm actually using a satellite dish tripod here at the moment. A bit of a gust there a minute ago. So-called power tips have been running around me. Anyway, that's the first part of the assembly done, which is mounting it to your pole. Obviously, this is not permanent, so it's a bit of fun. And, this is the diamond on the top. Basically, as you can see, pushing the top section, all 4 of those rods. If you look on the end of this, each rod goes on each corner. We just need to loosen that off a little bit. I don't know if I'm in the frame there, and God knows if you can hear me, because this wind is getting up again. Let's have a little look, see if you can see what I'm doing here. We'll loosen off a little bit more. Pries are open a fraction. So that's one goes in that section, one in there. I'm making this look harder than what it actually is. I think there we are, she's over. It's far from difficult. Hopefully you've got me in the frame there. And that is lift up near enough. It wants to be a bit more than that probably. That's it. And there we go. There's the anti-static hat fitted. It's been a while since I've used a flathead screwdriver. Let's take you back there. We're all posy these days, aren't we? But we'll stick to the originality. I don't use this one. Yeah, don't you dare blow away, you. Why I'm doing this out here today is beyond me, because it's starting to get back up again. But anyway, as you can see, just slot in there, you make them up till you see those holes which are there, you see. these are actually threaded. They're not self-tapped, which has actually caught me out a little bit. They've got an actual thread on these, so you have to be careful with these or you'll end up spinning them out. So ideally you'd want to nip them up just to say right, then maybe use a bit of self-amalgamating tape over the top of them just to secure it a bit, you know. That's actually quite a nice, look at the fit. I don't know if you're getting that, guys. It's actually a nice precision fit. That is actually really good anyway. God knows why I don't remember them being as good as that, but there you go. But anyway, that's that section in. I don't even care what I did, because it's absolutely getting silly again out here. There's shit blowing all over. What I do to you guys, what I do. You can see there's a little bit of thread in there. Yeah, so these are actually, they're more of a thread than a self-tapper. I tape it a bit at the end, obviously, for them to go in, but they're more of a thread. God, don't you just hate these dumb flatheads? They're just a pain in the ass. But it's original, so we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. I've got like a new mic on today. Say new, I've used it a couple of times, but not outside. And I've placed the dead cat on top of the mic. Try and keep that wind noise down, so hopefully it's going to do its job. And this is the top section. These are fitting lovely. I mean, there's no gaps down at all down there. Brilliant. You know, if antennas were made like this day and age, you'd have no problems at all, like shakes and rattles and shit like that. I'm not going to get this up today, but what I want to do, I want to whack some quarks on the end of this, and even at this ground level, we should be able to hear some decent action. Right, now it's the assembly of the radials. Not really rocket science. I think this is the first cut on these, you know. And that tape does look old. Let's be the first in 45 years to pull this tape off her. God, it's a bit brittle as well anyway. Bit of an interruption there, someone at the door. Dropping another antenna off, I might have. It's a modern one though. It's a modern antenna, so don't get too excited. Or maybe you do get excited over any antenna. Anyway. Still got a bit of stick to it. And as I say, do you know, when I said 4 foot the other day, these are probably just a bit less than that. But anyway, never mind. So what we do now, we grab a rod, and we shove it straight in there. And if you remember rightly, these, they've got, I'll take that out and show you. They've got a flat end on there, see? So what you do, push in, turn, and obviously they can't pull out. Same for this one. Push in, turn, can't come out. And again. That looks quite good, isn't it? really fun. It's, for this one, push in, turn, and she's locked. And what we'll do, we'll just give them a quick nip up. Here, this takes me back. Look at this here, look, aluminium all over your fingers. Oh, the oxide of it anyway, for that matter. Right guys, there's the radials fitted. We're a little bit short of row here, aren't we? This is actually quite good for demonstration purposes. Even though I can't get round it. Get round it somehow. Yeah. Right, next is power tips. And those, as I explained before, go on each end. Right guys, last but not least is inserting the rest of the section, and I'm like, that is absolutely straight as a die. Can't believe it. No wonder half of these things are still up after like 40 odd years. Still doing okay. Like I say, I think it was just where the coil was wound, it was doing a bit naughty there, like. But yeah, that's about it really guys. Simple as that. Right guys, as you can see, it's fully erected. Everything's nipped up just to say, so I can bring it back down and shove it on a pole. Just went over near enough a minute ago though, so I've actually had to hold it down with some heavy sandstone blocks. So it shouldn't go anywhere at the moment while I'm finishing this vlog off, all being well that is. But anyway, let's have a little pan round it there. And we'll go from there. So we'll go up first there, let's have a little look up the top there. Hope you've got it all in there. You get the idea. She's absolutely straight as a die, and I mean straight as a die, unbelievable. A little bit of wind there, look. Hey. Yeah, it's going around a bit that, like, considering it's literally 3 foot off the deck. But yeah, there we go. Bothering this camera light, but that can't be helped. And that's about the size of it guys, really, to be honest. Yeah, this wind's getting mighty naughty, like. They call it storm OTTO by the sounds of it. That's about it guys. 45-year-old antenna, went up like clockwork, straight as an absolute die. Hopefully it'll come out well on the vlog. But that is absolutely, oh my god, that is, I have never seen an antenna that straight. No, that is very impressive, that, really impressive anyway. I don't know guys, we'll see you on the next one. Thumbs up wouldn't go amiss, and subscribe, and yeah, catch you later guys.